Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to either enable or disable the live preview feature in Microsoft Word. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the File tab. On the left side, you want to go down to Options. Go ahead and left click on that. And then on the right side, you want to go locate where it says Enable Live Preview. And if you hover over it, it says Show a preview of how a feature affects the documents as you hover over different choices. So if you want to enable or disable that, you just would check mark it or uncheck it, respectively. And then you would select OK to save the change. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.